Welcome back again, guys, and this is gonna be a third video in our playlist. Oh yeah, to be ethical hacker. So in this video, I'm gonna introduce you the best part and the best tool of hackers. I think so. Like best tool. So it's Metasploitable framework. Metasploit framework, and it's already in your Kali Linux. So I will just hop in there. So to just go and navigate to that, you just go to cd user share, then just write Metasploit framework, and there you go. So maybe you already know, like MS Console is used to just start the Metasploit framework, but that's not just it. Like there are like several things it can do. Like there are auxiliary, there are encoders, there are execution, there are nodes, there are payloads, there are post. So if you don't know about this, we can just go into the modules and you will see like those 7 modules in here. So to just go there, just navigate to the modules, and if I go, you can see those all 7, 3, 6, 7, yeah. So these are whole things, and I'm just gonna like talk about these things in this video, so you can just see like how many scripts and how many exploits we can have. So the first thing I want to just show you is exploits, so which is like really one and is already like characterized in like different things. So you can see like OS X, Unix, then there we are on Linux and Windows. Yeah, so if I can just jump on Windows and let's go, and you can see like they are like antivirus, browser, firewall, IAS, local, and SSH. Yeah, here SSH. If I just go into the SSH, and if I show you these exploits, these are the scripts written in Ruby. So this RB extension stands for Ruby, and if you want to just read it, you can just go. If you know like Ruby a little bit, you can just go and just see, like you can just know like how these exploits are working, how these are going on. But like right now, this is like out of the scope. We don't want to jump into the Ruby and like make our exploits. So yeah, this is the like best thing I want to just talk about. Like I find this thing so interesting. The thing like why I always tell like hackers to learn programming language is because of this. Like, so you don't have to just use like others exploits, other scripts. You can just write your own scripts here in here. For like Metasploit framework, these all scripts are written in Ruby, but you will see like more scripts in Python nowadays. You will see like scripts in like C. You can even write scripts in assembly. I don't know, like people have used that in real examples. If you go, you know, like people have did that like assembly scripts to just hack like machines and like in so much internal way. You know, maybe I'm like too much excited on this one, but just because like I have learned Python and those programming language, like I've started my programming language with C and then Python, just because I can just write scripts. Now I can write scripts on Python. I will show you like how to write scripts, but in this playlist I want to just really complete this one, so you can just attack and take the access of like another OS. So we will just do this, but after that I will complete this playlist. I will just go into the real world, and which is like binary exploitation and like writing your own script. So we will go back. Where are we? Yo. So these are the exploits. So exploits 1 is already done. You have seen like, and this is auxiliary. And what is this? This is just scanning. If you are attacking on a machine, this auxiliary just will scan that machine and it will like, yeah, now you can just put the payloads, you can just exploit it. It's like scannable. You can just go and just harm this machine. Not like just gonna harm this machine. You can just put the exploit and take the control. So if you also go like, I will just show you like why I'm talking this much. So you can see like it's also been categorized, and that's the best part, and it's already in this one in Ruby. If you see like everything, like okay, if I go like admin, and you will see like everything has been categorized, and it's like HP. You can see like HP and HTTP DNS. Go in DNS, and you can see like every script in Ruby. So I don't know, like maybe like those programmers like Ruby or Metasploit, like really works on Ruby. But yeah, Ruby is a great language. I can say that. So now if I will just really quickly complete like every module. So we have done like this one. Now this is like encoders, like no one use encoders nowadays. The reason is because like it's gonna be like help you to just deactivate the antivirus and just like make it less detectable. So if you are using like encoder, just think it like that, like you are putting a virus, but you don't want that antivirus to detect that virus. So you can just put that exploit and you can just take the control. So yeah, now you get like you are just going in a club. I don't want to like show your pass or something, and you don't want to be detected, and you don't want to be in others' eyes. You are just going on like running in a club, and yeah, like I have like cleared the security. So it's like that. So if I just go in and carry side. Maybe like the reason I'm saying like nobody use it because like all antivirus company knows about it. It's obvious, like everyone there is also working in infosec, and so if they are making an antivirus, so it's already in theirs. Maybe like sometimes like it can work. I can't say that. So maybe the whom you are attacking with your exploit, maybe using like some Windows Vista XP or like Windows 7 and some crappy OS. So yeah, and not even using antivirus. So in that case, like yeah, you can just use that. Now just let's clean it out. And yeah, one more thing I want to like show you. You don't have to write clean for just clean the terminal. You can just Control L and it can just clean that. But the thing is that it just move this this thing. So that's why I just use like clean. So now there's one more thing, and evasion is like same as encoders. It's also like help in that way. Now knobs is like knobs means it's a full form like no processors. Like you can see like no and then PS. If you write like PS in here in Linux, you can have this like process ID and everything. So it's like no processor. And you will be like, why they use this? I have also like questioned this to me many times, but the thing I just understand is like many times you don't need like process to be used, and there's thing, and I haven't used it. Maybe you are not also gonna use it. Maybe you can use it. I don't know like how far you guys are gonna go in this field, but yeah. Now what is post? As it can say now payloads, like control the machine. Payloads, like everyone knows about payloads, right? I don't want to just describe it like payloads. Yo man, everyone knows about it. So now this post, now as it can just say like post, like after the exploit, it's like taking the control and just like erasing you were there, like just cleaning your footprint and something like that. So I have used post, like yeah, I have used post. So you can see like it's also like categorized like Android, then Apple iOS, nice, like Firefox and hardware, Linux, networking, multi, and OS X, like wow, Solaris and Windows. Like if I just go on the Linux one, like show you, yo. So it's also be in Ruby, yo. Okay, I want to show you like everything is in Ruby. Like if you ever find a like script in your machine and it's written in Ruby, like just close your eyes and remember it's a like Metasploit framework. You can also search it. There is a like search exploit, and if I just show you like just give me like something like SSH, there you go. Like how many exploits we have like too much exploits in here. And if you see like this in Ruby, it must be in Metasploit. So you can see like if you can just find like another one in Ruby, just see, and if you, yeah, there you go, this must be in Metasploit. So yeah, they were. So now that's it. That's what I want to just tell you. Okay, and in another video, in the next one, which is the fourth one, we will just go into this like Metasploit, and we are gonna attack on this machine, this Linux machine, and taking the control, not by just FTP. And as I have shown, there's like very much like less chances that someone really having like this much of like ports open, and you are just gonna like scan this and just take control like this. Wow, like a movie. That doesn't work like that. But in the next video we will just really like attack on the machines. So you can, oh no, you don't want to just do that in real world. This is always for education purposes. I should put that in a description. I don't know. So yeah, that's it about the video, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.